Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to multiply by sine 4x on numerator and denominator. So we know that cotangent 4x, that is about cosine 4x over sine 4x. Next, sine 4x multiplied by number 1 and this one. So we have sine 4x plus cosine 4x. Next, we need to multiply by the square root of number 2 over number 2 on numerator and denominator. So we have cosine of b over 4 equals to sine of b over 4 equals to the square root of number 2 over number 2. So this one, that is about this one, and this one, that is about this one. And now we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one, and that is about sine of 4x plus b over 4. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 4x plus b over 4. So because we have 4x, so I will put b over 4 go to the left. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1, so we have du. This one, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. So because we don't have number 4, so we need to divide both sides by number 4. So this one, that is about u. 4x, that is about this one. Dx, that is about this one. So this one multiplied by this one, so we have the square root of number 2 over 8. Now we have the formula in here. So this one, that is about this one. And now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. So sine u divided by sine u, we have only cosine b over 4. The next one, that is about cosine u over sine u, and we keep the same sine of b over 4. And now the integration of this one, that is about the constant, so you got about u. The integration of this one, and that is about Fn of the absolute value of sine u multiplied by sine of b over 4. So about u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.